because I'm awful, I started doing this, and forgot to press record. Love that for me. Anyway, I will walk you through it, whatever, don't worry about it, but today I'm doing a in-depth review. It's not really a review because I got this a while ago, of this palette. It's by My Tubes Cosmetics. It's the Timeless. I don't know if that's going to be reversed or not, but yeah, it's the colorful one. They also have this one. This is the original. This one has 2 mattes. This one has 5, but the one I just had in my hand has the bottom row is glitters. So, yes, I got this, I don't know, while school was like a few months ago. It's August now. I think I got it in July. There was a mishap in the shipping, but accidents happen. I ordered this one and they sent me another one of these, but they look like the exact same, so I can't blame them. And they fixed it right away. They were really nice about it, and it came fast, so I can't really complain other than that. So yeah, basically what I did so far was I took this yellow shade on this fluffy brush and I put it in my crease, and then I took some white and just blended it. I took some white from my Morphe palette and I just blended it on the edge because it was kind of uneven. That was my fault, not the shadows. I took the orange then and put it in my crease, kind of blended those together, made them look nice, so it still had a nice transition. I then took the red, which is a shimmer, and I deepened up my crease with it, and then I took this shade of purple and I started to deepen my crease with it. And that's all you missed. So yeah, once I finish this, I'm gonna swatch them all for you, and talk about it. So this is the brush I was using. Just dipping into this shade, tapping off a lot of it because I really don't want a lot of I don't want a lot, just because it's really dark and pigmented, whatever. See, you don't want to do what I just did and just absolutely hammer it in, These blend pretty good. They're pretty nice quality, or at least I think so. For what you get, it was $25 US. Again, I don't know how much that is Canadian, and it didn't say on my shipping receipt. I think I paid $36, but I used Canadian, but I used my discount code that you can find in the description for 15% off if you're from Canada. I made an oopsie. I blended it too high and now it looks muddy, but that's fine because we can just go like this. There, now I only have one eye, and that's all that matters. Oh, there's no fixing this, so awesome. So now we're just gonna be doing this eye because I don't feel like restarting. So yeah, I forgot to do my brows, so I'm gonna do them quickly. I'm gonna take this Joe Fresh brow wax thing, looks like a big crayon, and I'm just going to color in my brow with it just a little bit. It's nice because it's kind of a universal color, and it'll look good when my hair is blonde again. It looks fine now. I don't know, I kind of like it. So there we go. To gauge my head. There was a little bit of fallout under my eye, but again, that happens with colorful shadows. Okay, so now I'm going to cut my crease. Yes, so I'm gonna take, I'm gonna move this closer, hold on. Hi. I am going to take this brush here. It's crusty because there's concealer on it. Don't worry about it, okay? That never happened. It's fine. Where's my concealer? I just had it in my hand. My brain is falling out of my head right now. Oh my god. It was ready for me. Anyway, I'm going to take this on my brush. Oh my god, I have to sneeze. Maybe I don't have to sneeze. Oh my god, I sneezed. Excuse me. Anyway, I'm trying to get TikTok famous. I just want to be TikTok famous. That's all I want in life. I made a TikTok. I'll put the link in the description. Please follow me on TikTok because I want to be famous. I make them almost every day. I try to. At least one. Sometimes I'll make a bunch. Right now I have 4 followers. Please follow me on TikTok. Please. I'm trying so hard to get TikTok famous. Oh my god. Like, I would just die. Like, I would die. That's all. I'd die. Okay, so back to it. I'm gonna take this glitter primer now. I recommend, ever since I got this glitter primer, I recommend using one when you're putting on a shimmer, especially when, I don't know, just whenever. Sometimes I just only cut my crease with it, but sometimes it, like, takes off the primer under it if you don't. So just be mindful. I didn't need as much as I put on my hand, but I'm just, like, I think you know how to put something on a brush, and if you don't, that you go like this. That's how. Oh my god, I look like I got punched in the face. Alternative tutorial, how to get a fake bruise. Anyway, I'm just gonna pack this on kind of with the corner of my brush, just so I keep that shape that I had without, like, going out of the lines, and then, like, blending it in with my finger, because you don't need a lot. I say as I put on a lot, but you know, whatever. I hope your guys' summer is going well, because mine is. I'm having a wonderful time. I don't even care. Well, not about your summer. I don't care about my eye. I'm gonna take this brush. I'm gonna wipe it off on my little thing. Okay, listen. This is like one of the best investments I've ever made. It's like a sponge, but it's like, and it's like that color switch thing that you can buy, but I got it at the dollar store. It's called Swisspers Instant Brush Cleaner. This is the lid for it, but I melted some lipstick in it, so. Anyway, I'm gonna take this shade now and then just pat it on with my brush. This brand makes a really good, like, shimmer. These shimmers are absolutely crazy. And they're, I don't know, they're just fun. This is like kind of a sunset thing. Just kind of taking this and like blending the purple from my outer corner into the purple here. I don't really like the way that looks, but that's okay because I can fix it. Okay, I'm going to now pack over that this purple shade on top of it, just to add a different, like, hue, I guess, I don't know, shade, because I just feel like it didn't fit. And there you have that. I'm going to now take, I'll start with the orange shade on my M149, and then just, drag it on my lower lash line to kind of blend it through. Just for fun, I'm going to take some of that red too, tap it off, and then really just go in. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to put on mascara now, but I'm going to pause it. I'm going to pause this. I'm going to put on mascara, I'm going to come back, and I'll show you the finished thing, I guess? I don't know. Okay, so I wiped off my other eye, so I looked somehow a little more normal. I'm going to take this, like, this shade from this palette and highlight my inner corner with it, because that's what it's really, really nice for. Ooh. Also, the reason that this looks like this shade broke, so it's like filthy, and it gets all over everything, all the time, constantly. So, yeah, here's the finished look, and I used this, and I used these two and this one. So I'm gonna swatch them off for you though. I'm gonna go from top to bottom this way. So I'm gonna start with the yellow, the orange, and the red. The lighting isn't great, so. There's the first three, and then we have the light green shimmer, the dark green shimmer, and the teal shimmer. You'll see. So we have bop, 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 just like that. And there's like no primer on my arms or anything. I'll show you me swatching it just so there's no controversies. I'm going 1, 2, 3. Here are the blue ones. So, pop. These shadows are nice on the eyes, but again, sometimes they don't swatch very well. Ooh, look at that. Yes. So that's that indigo shade I thought I talked about in this video, and then we have 3 more. We have the 2 purple shimmers on my eye, and then the purple shimmer in my crease. So, bop, bop, bop. Those are the swatches. The shimmers are really cool, and I guess I can, here, I'll wipe some of these off, but I'll do like a, ooh, no I won't, okay. Because I have another colorful palette, I have the Morphe 35, whoa, just threw my glasses. I have the Morphe 35B here. So I'll do a comparison swatch. So these ones on this side are from the palette I have, and then, okay, we'll swatch the yellow one next to it, a little bit brighter, the orange one next to that, different hue, the red, even though it's not really a shimmer, we'll do the green. Show you what I talk about it with the green. It swatches nicely, but it doesn't apply very well. Let's see. We also have a blue sparkly. I think this one matches this one the most, so we're gonna. Bro, this hurts my arm. Okay, actually this one goes with that more, but whatever. You know, just as like a little comparison. I don't know why I did that, but you know. Yeah, that is the palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please get me TikTok famous. Yeah, that's all. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!